Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel, where today we dive into one of the most jaw-dropping creations of 2026, the Cadillac RV, a true masterpiece for anyone who refuses to compromise on luxury, power, or comfort while traveling the open road. This isn't just a motorhome, this is a statement on wheels. If you've ever dreamed of bringing the refinement of a Cadillac Escalade and the innovation of a luxury penthouse to your road trips, this is the ultimate machine for you. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 Cadillac RV is its presence. Cadillac has nailed the design, blending its iconic sharp-edged styling with a sleek modern motorhome silhouette that commands attention at every stop. Up front, you get that signature illuminated grille, vertical LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that make it look more like a concept vehicle than something actually available to buy. The chrome accents are subtle but elegant, giving you that true premium feel without overdoing it. Step inside, and you are immediately greeted by an interior that redefines what home on wheels means. Cadillac has pulled from its luxury sedan and SUV lineup, using the finest leather, real wood veneers, and soft touch materials throughout. The driver's cockpit feels futuristic, with a curved OLED display that spans almost the entire dashboard, giving you navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment controls right at your fingertips. The captain's chairs are heated, cooled, and even offer a massage function, perfect for those long hours behind the wheel. In the living area, the Cadillac RV feels like a private suite. There's a fully electric slide-out system that expands the lounge space with a single touch, revealing a spacious seating area with reclining sofas, a hidden 4K smart TV, and an integrated premium sound system that supports Dolby Atmos. Ambient lighting can be customized to match your mood, from bright and energizing to soft and relaxing. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with high-end appliances including an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine. Surfaces are finished in quartz, and the cabinetry features soft close mechanisms, making the whole space feel solid and refined. The rear bedroom is where Cadillac really flexes its luxury muscle. You get a king-size bed with memory foam and adjustable settings, a panoramic skylight for stargazing, and automated blackout shades for complete privacy. The ensuite bathroom offers a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a vanity setup that looks like it came straight from a five-star hotel. On the technical side, this RV packs some serious muscle. Under the hood, Cadillac offers a hybrid-assisted diesel powertrain delivering impressive torque for hauling and smooth cruising. The RV comes with an advanced air suspension system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera suite to make maneuvering something this big surprisingly stress-free. For off-grid adventurers, the 2026 Cadillac RV comes with a solar roof option, a high-capacity lithium battery pack, and a powerful inverter system so you can run most of your appliances without ever plugging in. Overall, the 2026 Cadillac RV is not just transportation, it's an experience. It's built for those who want to turn every trip into a first-class journey and every destination into an unforgettable memory. If you've been waiting for a motorhome that blends elegance, technology, and performance, this Cadillac might just be your dream machine.